back plate of the latch is made out of 16 gauge sheet metal. Here I've used spray adhesive to glue the pattern for the back plate onto the sheet metal. To transfer the pattern to the sheet metal, I use an engraving pencil and then just follow the outline of the pattern. To cut out this pattern, I'm going to be using a very heavy cold chisel with a narrow edge. This chisel gets driven straight into the pattern piece. To follow the line, I lock the far edge of the chisel into the cut and position the front edge of the chisel on the line. Once the pattern has been scored, it's just a matter of breaking away the pieces you don't want. You use the same process for curved lines, however sometimes you need to make relief cuts with a hacksaw to be able to break away the scrap pieces. It might seem counterintuitive to use a narrow edge chisel to cut out this pattern piece. It's mostly straight lines, so you would think that a 3/4 inch or a 1 inch wide cold chisel would go a lot faster, but it really doesn't. And the reason is that it takes a tremendous amount of pressure to drive a 3/4 inch chisel down to the full depth of cut that you need to break away a piece of sheet metal. So you need to start using a heavier hammer to drive that chisel, and once you start using a heavier hammer, then it becomes a lot harder to control that chisel and follow the line. So I found over the years that I can get a lot more work done with a lot less effort using a narrow chisel.